Alrighty, let's get in it. It's time for math. I've been doing a lot of videos today. I'm about to be worn out. I hope you are just perky and going and ready to go. We are going to look at Roman numerals today. They don't spend a lot of time on it, but you may have seen a clock with odd numbers like I's and V's. So we're going to learn it today. It's really neat. The Romans did not have a number system. They didn't have that little math language that we have where you have ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Their math system was not as good as ours. That's why we don't use it anymore, but it was pretty interesting. So let's take a look at it. It's this page, okay, and it has Roman numerals on the side. 1 was I. If you look where the Roman soldier is standing, 2 was I. 3 was I. That's how they did 1, 2, and 3. You had to repeat it. And then for 4, you had to know what 5 is. 5 is V. So when you did 4, you put an I in front of the V, which means 5 minus 1, which is 4. So you had to be able to subtract to know their numbers. Then 6 is VI, 7 VII, 8 VII. So the rule is you can't put more than 3 I's in a row. And you can't put more than 1 I in front of a letter. That was a rule they had. So 9 is IX because 10 is X, and so it's the same as 4. You have to take 1 away from 10 to get 9. 11 is XI, and 12 is XII. Now, Roman numerals keep going. They have L is 50, D is 500, C is 100. Really strange. So they had a really different way of building numbers. I'm not quite sure how you would add all that together. I really like our number system a lot better. It makes you appreciate our number system. So they want you to put the numbers on the clock. So we're just going to start with 12 is XII. And if you don't know, you can look at the Roman soldier chart. So 1 o'clock is I. You don't have to draw the hands of the clock. Just go around the clock. And then 2 is II. And then 3 is what? I. Then 4. What is 4? IV. And they usually have a line on the top and the bottom. That's the way the font is. If you look up a Roman font in your fonts on your printer, it'll look like that too. So keep on going around the clock. Just make it match the Roman soldier chart. It says write the time using Arabic numerals. So they do not want you to use Roman numerals. The numerals we use are Arabic numerals. So you have 10 o'clock. And you have 4 o'clock. I'm not really sure why they want you to do this. I would have thought maybe they asked you to do it in Roman numerals. Anyway, let's see if we can answer the questions. Number 4. Casey, my phone is just going crazy again. Casey was the 12th student to enter her classroom. How many students entered before her? I like this question. It's a thinking question. If she's the 12th student to come in the classroom, how many came in before her? I know you have it. 11. There are 49 steps to complete Tommy's new robot. Ooh, 49. He is on the 2nd step. Is the robot almost put together? No. How many more steps does he have to go? 47 more steps. Sam just scored his 20th goal of the soccer season. How many goals has he scored? What number represents 20th? They want to see if you know the number words. There are 95 empty seats for the chapel program. Jill is the 43rd person waiting in line. Will she get a seat? There are 95 chairs, and she is the 43rd person. Will she get a seat? Yes, because 43 comes way before 95. All right, let's look at the back. Ooh, does have a little bit more Roman numerals. Write the Roman numeral for each number. You can just go back and look at your Roman soldier chart and figure that out. Then you have to match the number word with these are called ordinal numbers. When they're numbers in place, like I'm in second or I'm in fifth, those are ordinal. They tell what place you are in a line. So 23rd goes to what? C, yes. 91st goes to what word? A, yes. It's really hard to do this because I don't know if you are understanding or if you're not understanding. Mama, if he's not understanding, pause the video, do a little more teaching. If he is, let him go. All right, let's look at number 10. There are 57 people in line in front of Haley. What position is she in? I want you to use your words, number words, and write it down. It should look like this. "58th." Do you see how I have a hyphen in between 50 and 8th? There's always a hyphen between the 10s and the 1s. So if I just said 58, it would be 50-8. But this is a place word, so it has to have that TH on it. 58th place, because she comes right after 57th place. Number 11, Sandy just finished her 16th thank you note. How many notes has she written? 16. Katie is 49th in the lunch line. How many students are in front of her? What number comes after the 99th number? 99th number. Do you know? "99th" is the 100th number. Then you've got some algebra. Do you need a little review on this? It says 9 plus n equals 10. So in order to solve for n, we can do opposite. We can subtract. We know that 10 is the largest part on the part-whole diagram. We know one of the parts is 9. So if we just subtract 10 minus 9, that will give us 1. And then we can check it. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we know it's right. All right, so do your algebra. Smart little algebra in 3rd grade. And that is all of the math that we have for today. And I will come back and, you know what? Mama hasn't texted me, but I am guessing that you are almost, that you have the 9 family memorized. So we are probably just going to skip that today. Do your speed drill and finish the speed drill after your time. I wonder how many you're getting done on your speed drill. Are you increasing every day? You should be increasing every day. Do not give up. Dig in. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right? I know you can do it. I will see you for geography.